Hello, today I'm going to show you how to check your brake fluid. Open the car hood of your MINI Cooper, and if you are standing in front of your car, you are able to see on the right side there is a cover, and under this cover there is the tank for the brake liquid. There is a maximum and a minimum range, and in this range you have to be with the liquid inside. If you're going to check the brake liquid, open the cover of your brake liquid tank. Rotate it left turn and take this brake fluid tester, and on this brake fluid tester you are able to see how much water is inside your brake fluid. This will show you how much water is inside the brake fluid. Yeah, there it is, the brake fluid. Now dip in the stick and have a look at the LEDs, and as you can see, the second LED is on, and that means the brake fluid is okay, and we do not have to replace this brake fluid right now, but maybe in the future. Do this test twice a year to be sure that your brake fluid is fresh and in good value. So now close all and switch off the stick. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and see you next time. Soon.